Good morning from Market Meteo AI. It's Tuesday, July 28th, and Wall Street opens soon. Here's today's market weather. Wall Street wakes up to a storm over the chips. In Asia, the big memory makers crashed on renewed doubts about spending on artificial intelligence. Yesterday, the S&P 500 was already lower, with the Nasdaq weak and Nvidia down 5%. The fear gauge reads 41, firmly in the fear zone. On the dashboard, the story is oil, crashing almost 12% to $81. The VIX, the fear index, climbs to 18 and 78. More wind, but still a normal band. The 10-year Treasury yield eases to 4.63, ahead of the Fed. On the S&P 500, we're trading around 7,413 points, just below the gamma flip at 7,454. The main floor sits at 7,000, the distant ceiling at 8,000. We're right on the border between a calm market and a choppier one. The close-up map shows two walls, support at 7,300 and resistance at 7,500, with zero gamma in between, at 7,454. The options balance, the GX, is negative by about 26 billion, a backdrop that tends to amplify the day's swings. The Market Meteo AI Barometer reads transition today with a confidence of 60%. It's a two-speed market. Tech falling, the rest of the market steadier. In the short term, caution prevails, with the index just below the key threshold. In the medium term, we stay neutral, awaiting the Fed. On the calendar, it's the Fed's week. Tuesday, consumer confidence. Wednesday, the rate decision with the press conference. Thursday, the first estimate of GDP and PCE inflation, the central bank's preferred gauge. And all week long, the flood of big tech earnings. In short, three things to watch today: whether the 7,454 threshold holds, the oil crash with yields heading into the Fed, and tech under pressure from the chip sell-off, while the rest of the market holds up. That's all for today from Market Meteo AI. If this report helps you, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss tomorrow's edition before the Wall Street bell.